Hi, I'm RWoodruff with BISH'S here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Welcome to another quick video. Today we're going to do a 3626 Newmar Bay Star. Great coach, 4 slide outs, full body paint. It's a beautiful rig. Let's take a quick look at this. I love the way that Newmar builds their slides. That's nice and bulletproof. That's all paint, no decals, nice, beautiful finish on a gas coach. It's got the Truman water heater. This is a really nice water heater in that it's tankless. Easy to do maintenance on. Great, great water heater. They just keep getting better and better and better. 22.5-inch tires, Alcoa rims. Here's our fuel fill on the driver's side. Just the look of this coach up and personal. It's a 50 amp coach. It's got the automatic transfer switch with the built-in surge protector. We've got our tow hitch, our 7-pin wiring back here. On this side, this is our passenger side. This is where most of our storage areas are going to be. You know, you're going to have a lot of storage. This one goes all the way through and out the other side. Storage is all the way up through here. On the driver's side, we're gonna have our dump station. Oh, look, our outside TV. Beautiful. I love the way it's a nice flush fit. It's a little tight through here. One of the brand new Newmar coaches. This is a 22. It's brand new. New. I keep saying new. I keep saying that because it's, wow, you know, it's been a long year. It's been hard to get new stuff. This is on the new chassis, the 7.3 Ford V8 chassis. Tried, true, tested, beautiful engine, beautiful transmission, manual, automatic, so you can use the transmission to help slow you down as you're coming down a hill. We've got beautiful seats. They spin around, they're very comfortable, become part of your living room. Side camera, backup camera, automatic hydraulic leveling. Like I said, there's a lot to this coach, especially being new 2022. Theater seating, one push button for the TV, straight across from theater seating. Okay, you push the button, it's gonna, and let go, it's gonna come up and stabilize there. It's got the Bose sound system, accent lighting. Love the new booth dinettes that Newmar has come up with. They expand out, solid surface. You can get back here in the corner. It's very comfortable. A lot of storage. The tight fit and finish of a Newmar is pretty incredible. Quick one-touch push on that button and the TV drops down. You got a beautiful window. You still got a sound bar system there so you can listen to music off your phone, off the internet, etc. Great, love it. Solid surface countertops. This is one of the things that's just, I love. Nice, clean, simple, easy. But if you want, it's so simple just to take this thing completely off. And it goes back on just as simple as you can be. Nice, quick, and easy. Big fridge. The Whirlpool electric fridge. Onboard inverter. Beautiful pantry with pull-outs as well as stationary shelves. As we keep going on back farther, this would be where your washer and dryer is. Okay. It's the apartment size. Great setup. Big shower. That's an actually good size shower. Good size bathroom and all, but you know that shower is big enough for 2 people to actually take a shower if you wanted to conserve water. Back here in our bedroom, we've got a nice walk around on both sides of the bed. We've got plugs on both sides of the beds. This is a king size bed. And it's a residential king size bed. We got great storage underneath here. It's finished. There's cubbies on each side of the bed for shoes, CPAC machines, etc. It's all about versatility, and Newmar is giving you all the versatility you could ask for. Great storage back here. 4 slide, 3626 Newmar Bay Star. It's brand new 2022. You got to come check this out. This is an incredible coach. Newmar's done a really great job here. I'm RWoodruff with BISH'S here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Thanks for watching my video and have a great day.